Hello and welcome again. In this lecture, we're going to talk about some miscellaneous commands that you should be familiar with. The first one is chage, so it's short for change. And the chage command is executed by the root user to modify password aging features for a user account. Important options for the change command include these, like -d will change the last change field of the etc shadow file for the user. Remember, I told you etc shadow is not something that you edit with a VI editor. It's so this is something you can do from command line. It'll make the change. -e will set the expiration date field of the etc shadow file for the user, and this is how you use it. -m will change the minimum field of the etc shadow file for the user. -m will change or capital M change the maximum field of the etc shadow file. -W change the warn field for the etc shadow file. Warn before the password expiration. Okay, the next command is getEnt. So one use of the getEnt command is to list values that are stored in user and group account databases. So for example, to list information about the root user, we can execute this command getEnt password root, and it'll show you this line for the root user in the etc password file. Next one is group mod. The group mod command is used by the root user to modify a group account. So suppose if you have a group called project and you want to change that name of that group to test, you can do a group mod -n project to test, and these are the two options you can use. This will change the GID if you use lowercase g, and if you use lowercase n, that'll change the group name, and that's what I'm doing here in this example. And the next command is usermod. Usermod command is used by the root user to modify a user account. So here I'm doing usermod space -s/bin/tcsh Julia, and that's what that's gonna do is whatever Julia's default shell is, suppose it's bin bash like usual, then it's gonna be changed to /tcsh.